being the exhibitor gives us an opportunity to come on site, promote our brand and what we do offer in the community, in buildings, in condos, and in townhome communities, and educate people that might not otherwise have that information. So it's a big selling point for us.
This is how we get to meet our clients, our potential clients, as well as our existing clients. We get to interact with them and get to show them all the products that we offer. And I think it's a perfect opportunity to showcase that.
And remember, it's not about the individual show or event, it's about the journey. Get a good reputation and rapport so people trust to come with you. And that's why we have Trust the Triangle as part of our marketing pitch, because it's about the journey. It takes multiple events, multiple years, and it's worth the money.
Condos are getting built all over our city right now, and it's just very important to be part of that and be part of help build that and build the community and the harmony within the condo market and the association, the ACMO associations, and CCI.
I think being an exhibitor is one of the key elements, especially when you're servicing clients such as property management and property management companies. You get to engage with people, you get to talk to them about your services. You also might meet people that you have no idea that you could ever meet at a Condo Conference. So it's great.
Sign up early and get your space quickly.